The Regular Expression Validator control allows you to easily add validation to controls on your pages using regular expressions. The other validation controls are covered in Session 4 of the Essential Skills course. To begin this lesson, open the JOSBAR Web Application project from your Sample Files folder. And open mailcontrol.ascx in Design View. This is the web user control that you created in Lesson 7.4. Next, add a Regular Expression Validator control to the right of the button Sign Up control. You'll find this control in the Validation category of the toolbox. Set the ID property of your new control to Regular Expression Validator Email. Now you'll need to configure the new control to validate the contents of the text box email address control. Set the Control to Validate property of the new control to text box email address, and set the error message property to invalid email address. Now you'll need to set a regular expression for the control. Set the validation expression property to dot plus at dot plus backslash dot dot plus. This is the regular expression that you created in Lesson 10.4. The Regular Expression Validator control will only permit the user to enter text into the text box email address control if it matches this regular expression. Note that Visual Studio contains a number of built-in regular expressions. You can access these by clicking the Browse icon next to the Validate Expression property. The built-in expressions include phone numbers for various countries, email addresses, and several more. The built-in expressions are more complex than those you've used in this session, but you should be able to understand them with the skills you've learned. Next, you're going to add server-side confirmation of your validation. Open the code behind file of mailcontrol.ascx. Now surround the contents of the button Sign Up Click event handler with the following if statement. If page.isValid. This code prevents the user from bypassing the validation by disabling JavaScript on their browser. This technique is covered in Session 4 of the Essential Skills course. Finally, let's test your validation. View default.aspx in your web browser. Now in the last text box, enter info@learnasp4. This address is invalid because it is missing the .com at the end. Now click Sign Up and your error message property is displayed, and the invalid address is not sent to the server. The address is detected as invalid because it does not match the regular expression. Now change the email address to info.learnasp4.com and click Sign Up again. Once again, the address does not match the regular expression, so it is not sent to the server. This time the address is invalid because it does not contain an @ symbol. Finally, enter the valid email address info@learnasp4.com and click Sign Up. This time, the address is sent to the server. This may cause an error because there is no mail server available on your own computer. Close your web browser now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 10.6. Use the Regular Expression Validator control.